Welcome to Everyone's a Millionaire Podcast. It's truly my favorite questions. Here it is. Looking back, what advice would you give your younger self to get to where you are just quicker?
I think it was question 2 or 3, 2 maybe, about the mentor. I think that's really what it was. I think in
Love
business, particularly, and we're applying this to business, but I would say you could apply this to whatever you're doing in life. I think that oftentimes we don't want to ask for help. I'm speaking for myself, and maybe many of your listeners and viewers. If you're that person, just say I. It's like you don't ask for help; you do it on your own. I think you need to find that person. If you're building a house, I don't know. I'd recommend doing it on your own unless you're a builder. Go find the person that's the expert and hire them. In this case, an architect, a contractor, whatever. And if you're in a real estate business, wholesale business, or other, go find someone like David Dodge. There's a lot of experts in the field. Go find the ones that have done that and are willing to teach. You've got to be willing to learn. If it costs you a few bucks, go ahead and pay it. I was kind of unwilling oftentimes to pay, and I was not taking my advice I just gave a minute ago about what the opportunity cost was, the time. If I told you I could take you from 1 to 8 in your business in 3 years, and it's going to cost you $200,000, you'd be like, I don't think I can do that. But if I said it was going to cost you, $200,000 every step, if you didn't, it's like that's probably the real cost. I think you've got to write it all down and figure it out. So I think the advice to me is find somebody in your field or your sector, or has been there and is invested in you. If you got to pay them, then pay them. If you got to go work for free, go work for free. If you got to go intern, go intern. Give some time away, and be willing to learn. And there's nothing new under the sun. I mean, we've got a lot of trailblazers in our industry that are in business, but it's all essentially recycled information. They're just maybe doing it better. And so go find the person that's doing it how you want it to be done, and go learn from them.
Amazing, man. I'm learning from you right now. This is awesome. Jeff, thank you.